Morning, this is Papa D. I am going to show you a build that I done with my sister. I had a lot of fun doing it, and that's what it is. It was fun, spending family time. It was really fun. So this is Papa D signing out. Good afternoon, this is Papa D. We're going to be making a bird feeder, my sister and I, and that's a start. We're going to start turning this pallet wood into something. It's an old picnic table I got. So we'll see how we end up. We got the front all done, or the side floor on this. We cut one of the pallet boards in half. It's about 17.5 inches. Now we're making a back. And there she is. She's cutting the back up. Doing a good job. Taking time running the saw. I gave her the pointers and told her what she needed to do, and she getting it done. And we getting ready to start putting together. I countersink that because your heads and your screws are tapered, so it's always better to probably try to countersink them. Yep, the end you looked at was the end you needed. Oh, there she goes. She's gonna make business out of this. Oh, she got good. We got lights. We got power. Whoops. There you go. Look at that. Like a professional. We've got it this far. The back's on, and we're drilling, and she's lining it all up. There she goes. We're going to do about three to four screws in the back, and that should be good on that. We're using that clamp to pull that top in a little more. You know, this is all pallet wood, and we haven't tried to straighten any of it, so this is what we're ending up with. Here we go. We're drilling for the sides. See, running these things like a professional. It's going to end up looking something like that. We got a little angle right there. And put the board on the outside, and we'll show you when we're. Oh, there we are. We're done with it. We did a couple of modifications. We put those little side things on to tie the slopes in. And then I came around and I tried something new in the table saw. I cut out the boards to give it a little more of an overlap. But we did use all pallet wood. That was a good thing. We had what? Maybe $1 in screws, but that's it. Oh, that's it for this video. Good size inside, looks good. Okie dokie. If you like, please subscribe and press that thumbs up button.